One good memory I have of the folk shul is of the music. A musician named Lazar Weiner came once a week and taught us songs. And I know that the other children didn't like it, but I loved it. And then it turns out that he was also the music director at Camp Boyberick. And then I discovered, subsequently that he was a very distinguished composer and musician. I mean, to me, he was just an old man who looked funny when he played the piano, and he had white hair, and he taught us a whole lot of songs, and I loved them all. Even though I stopped playing piano, I'm very musical in that music is what I love together with dancing. And all the radios in the house are tuned to QXR, and this is what I listen to. I love music, I love opera, so I just loved the songs that we learned.